How to Write a Procedure by the Teacher Tutor. Have you ever received a toy that an adult or grown-up had to put together in order for you to play with it? Well, that is procedure writing. A procedure is an explanation of how to do something. Procedure writing is when we write the instructions of how to do something. Step 1. You state what you're going to explain. For example, I'm going to explain how to make a sandwich. Remember to use the present tense. Step 2. What materials are you going to need? In my case, it's bread, cheese, a knife, a tomato, and a cutting board. Step 3. You explain step by step as if you're talking to a very young child how to do your ideas. So here's an example. First, take 2 pieces of bread from the loaf of bread. Second, place the bread on a cutting board. Third, take the cheese out of the refrigerator. Fourth, using a knife, cut the cheese to fit onto 1 slice of bread in a single layer. Fifth, cut a slice of tomato and place it on top of the cheese. Sixth, take the piece of bread and place it on top of the first piece of bread so that both sides are facing the same direction. Finally, cut the sandwich in half and enjoy. 4. Editing. Ask a friend to follow your instructions without seeing the words. If they do not follow something correctly, look how you've explained yourself. Are you missing a step? After you're satisfied with your instructions, have your friend look over the spelling and the grammar. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click on like and subscribe.